Yes, hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any post. Okay, so today we are going to solve some questions as usual for beginners level. So I need your attention, and if you don't understand, please don't hesitate to pause the video. Let's start. Today we have some few questions about beginners level. Okay, well, so here we go. They are very simple questions, I guess. Okay, and question number 1, it says, hello, what dash your name? This is a very easy question. It's asking about your name. So what is our MB? So automatically, what is your name? Okay, so our correct answer is A. What's your name? Number 2, name is John and my is Johnson. So is it your name is John, my name is John, or I name is John, I name is John? No, so here it doesn't even sound because it's asking about expressing about someone's name. So my name, okay, this one should be small, good. My name is John and my surname, okay, my surname is Johnson. So this is our correct answer. My name is Lisa dash Lisa Peterson. So my name is Lisa. Now I am Lisa Peterson. Good. Dash are you from? Japan. So asking about a place. Who? No. When? What? No. So automatically, when we talk about places, we use where are you from? Good. Where dash you dash? Refer to question number 4. So this is like a copy paste. Where are you from? So which one? Tell me. D. Good. Pierre is a French boy dash from dash. Pierre is a French boy. Okay, what's the correct answer? He is from France. Okay, that's why he is French. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Lisa and Max are Americans dash from the US. Okay, USA, United States of America. Lisa and Max are Americans. So talking about two people, they are. Don't confuse there and they are. Okay, so here we say they are, and the correct answer is C. Well, let's move to the next one. What dash their dash? Alexander and Philip. So what are good their? Now look here, be careful. There, it means plural, so it's their names. Mark dash 19, but Brian and Dennis dash 26 and 28. Mark is, okay, 19, but Brian and Dennis are, so what is the correct answer? Is are. Perfect. What dash this? It's dash umbrella. Okay, what is this? It's an. Look, we have a vowel sound, so it's an umbrella. Automatically C. Where dash she from? She dash from Japan. So where is she from? She is from Japan. This is our correct answer. They dash Lisa and Max. They dash from the US. Now look, they, because it is plural, they are Lisa and Mac. They are, okay, so C, are. What is name? My name is Karos. What is your name? Then my name is Karos. I have dash brother, dash name is David. I have a brother. What next then? His. Okay, his name is David. We dash students. We, oh sorry, so we are students. Okay, and our correct answer is C. Next one, I dash a student. I am. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Dash is your phone number. It's blah 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 blah. So yeah, this is just a question about a phone number. What is your phone number? Okay, what is this? Dash dash English. What is this in? Okay, champagne is dash French drink. Champagne is a French drink. Champagne is French drink. Champagne is a French drink. Okay, Milan is Italian city. Milan is, now look, E, Italian city. Milan is Italian city or is an Italian city? Is it Italia? Is it a vowel? Yes, of course. So Milan is Italian city. We don't say Milan is a, no, Milan is Italian city. Okay, Milan is Italian city, not Milan is an Italian. Does it sound good? Milan is an Italian city. Okay, I have two dash sisters. I have two. Is there a mistake in this question? I have two. So here is the answer. Okay, so it was like I have two sisters. It's dash green apple. It's a, okay, green apple. Dash her name Eliza. No, she isn't. Now here look, it's a question. Is, oh okay, is her name Eliza? No, she isn't. So which one? Look careful, look careful. Here we go. Okay, so thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave or share with your friends. And see you next time.